everybody, today we are in Crafting Club Kitchen and it's very fitting that we're in a kitchen because today we are going to be making a cocktail from Kitchen Cocktails, and this is a book by the London Cocktail Club, written by JJ, the founder of London Cocktail Club, and it's basically a cocktail recipe book that is just full of really fun, really easy cocktails that you can make at home. Because all the ingredients can be found at your local supermarket, in your kitchen cupboard, and it's, like I say, really, really super easy. So today we're going to be making a cocktail based on one of my favourite puddings, summer puddings, called the Eton Mess. A quintessentially British pudding, and it looks delicious. Look at that, it's great. And like I say, this book is just full, and it's got a whole section on desserts. So without further ado, let's crack on. So what you'll need is a cocktail shaker. I'm using a Boston shaker, but you can just use a normal cocktail shaker as well. You're going to need your jigger, measurer. You're going to need a strainer and also a tea strainer if you have one, because there's jam in the recipe and you don't want any bits floating around in your cocktail. A little stirring spoon, and yes, we are good to go. So I'm going to be using the July Gin of the Month, Theodore Pictish Gin. And the reason this is going to work really nicely is it's got damask rose as one of the botanicals, so it will mix really, really nicely with the strawberries. We're going to be using some strawberry jam, an egg white, a Christmas favourite, little shot of Baileys, some lemon juice, and some double cream. So it's one not for the faint-hearted, but it's a little treat, and you know, you've got to treat yourself. Right, Boston shaker. If you're using a Boston shaker, mix everything in the smaller half of the Boston shaker because it's just easier to mix things up. So what we're going to do is add all the ingredients. So we're going to go gin, (25 millilitres of Baileys), egg white, strawberry jam, we want lemon juice, and the double cream. And what we're going to do is dry shake it because it's got an egg white in it. So it always works better if you dry shake the egg white. Dry shake basically means just don't add any ice for the first shake. Okay, so that's the dry shake, and now we want to add a bit of ice. And while I'm doing this, we're going to serve this in a martini glass, and I've put my martini glass in the freezer so it's nice and chilled. So then we add some ice to chill it all down. And we wet shake. Okay, so shake for about 12 seconds. Really good shake because you want a nice foam on this one, which we have. And then you take your chilled martini glass here, and we're going to double strain it because, like I say, there's jam in it and we don't want any floaters in our cocktail. Okay, just going to give that a little help with the spoon because of the jam. Smells just like an Eton mess. So yes, and now we're just going to garnish it with a little sliced strawberry, and there you have it. How easy was that? And it smells delicious, so now all we have to do is taste it, which is obviously the worst bit. The proof is in the pudding. The epitome of summer, the epitome of summer. So yes, cheers guys. So have a go at home. Let us know how you get on. The recipe will be underneath this video in the comments, and like I say, everything, all the cocktails in this book are everything you can get from your local supermarket or in your kitchen cupboard. So there's no excuse. Cheers, guys.